This week on Early Bird Farm SE, we're covering the Living Farm at Kings Mountain State Park. This is part 2 where we go to the Living Farm with Shannon from Swamp Stalker Outdoors. So we've come up here to the Living History Farm, Kings Mountain here. And they got like a little cabin here that they've turned into a bathroom, a privy, and they got some old buildings here and kind of like a farmstead set up. So we're gonna go through here and check it out. About my height. This is the outdoor cooking area. So they got like a little fire pit where they can hang their pots up. And then they got the old pizza oven. That's pretty unique. Make some bread in there. Me too. This is cool.
It said this house was lived in 1970, and in 1976 the house was relocated here from Sharon McConnell's area.
And I have some family that, my mom's side of the family is from Sharon.
What's that?
Getting an education today. Yeah. Oh well. That's the old mill right there. They run their sugar cane or sorghum cane through that. Then they bring it over here to the furnace. This big copper pot right here. And they boil it down and make molasses out of it or cane syrup.
I need that pot. We can't open it.
Right there on the end, right there.
Yeah, we can't get it. We can't get it either.
That's it.
But we can't open it that way. Big old box. Brantley didn't even help us.
Here they go.
If you enjoy this video of this living history tour, I try to show a little bit of everything, and I try to incorporate a little bit of everything that they had there. Originally I was thinking that they had more farm animals there, pigs, goats, things along those lines, but it's basically just a homestead setup with all the type of buildings that they would have had back in the late 1800s. You know, smokehouse, outhouse, smokehouse, crib shack, how their fencing would have been. This site actually had a cotton gin on site, which I was very surprised to see. Most of these buildings were moved to this location, so this is not like a site that somebody come up on and said, here's a site. So the cotton gin was moved there, and that probably would have been like in a community. It wouldn't have probably been, an individual probably wouldn't just own one for their own personal use. They would have had a cotton gin for a community, kind of like a grits mill. But I found it interesting to see how one was, a smaller version of one was set up like this, and it was very cool. It had the muscadines, trellis, they had all sorts of stuff there. Thanks for watching Early Bird Farms. If you enjoyed this video, hit that little subscribe button that's about to pop up. Also, there's a bell notification right beside it. If you hit that bell notification, it'll let you know every time that we have a video available. If you click on the video, when it sends you that notification, it helps to get our videos out and other people can watch them. Also, there's a video that's going to pop up here and here. If you click on one of those, I think it'll be something that you'll like. We appreciate you stopping by Early Bird Farms SC, where the SC stands for South Carolina.